Hello everyone, welcome to Master Stage, and today we are going to discuss about the collaborative learning through ICT, and this is going to be very important for your AP TET. Okay, and let us discuss what is collaborative learning through ICT. So, learning experience that traditional method, okay, which is beyond now we have to incorporate technology in collaboration, and we need to connect the real world so that it leads to deep understanding and engagement. So why is important for APTET? So it is essential for the child development and pedagogy session. Focus on inclusive education like diverse learners, ICT integration, key areas in special education and curriculum. Let us start. So, collaborative learning in inclusive classroom. So, promotes peer learning. So, when you learn from each other, then the students get strength and they're going to build the social connections and they'll have the mutual respect. Okay, so this collaborative learning supports diverse learner. So it includes all the different learning style students and abilities and special educational needs effectively. So it increases the critical thinking, encourages problem solving and creativity, higher order thinking through shared exploration. So in digital era, how this collaborative learning can be happen. So it is very simple. You can sit anywhere. You can connect with all the students, okay, by using Google Classroom. So it helps and facilitate the students to discussions and assignment sharing, real-time feedback, and inclusive participation. Everybody can participate, able or disabled or rural, urban. So everybody can have the real participation with the Google Classroom. Then it comes to Padlet. These are the interactive digital boards where students can post their ideas, images, and responsibly collaboratively. Then it comes to know that we'll discuss about the Microsoft Teams. Simply, we can say this MS Teams. So, through which we can have video discussions, okay, where conference can be done and different rooms can be allotted and the screen sharing can be happen remotely and everybody can learn through this MS Teams. So through this digital discussions, it reduces the anxiety for shy students and it provides equal opportunity for the participation in group discussion. So group discussion with the digital tools are Google Classroom, Padlet, and Microsoft Teams. Then ICT-based project learning. So the project can be done with the help of technology. So the benefit of using the information and communication technology, which develops research and the presentation how they are done, that is also improved, and the teamwork skills also improves. So it integrates multiple subjects, real world applications. So it allows the differentiate instruction for the special needs, those who are unable to cope up with the normal students. So it addresses the same. And through this IT project learn, it builds the digital literacy. That means how they can use different softwares, different application, different digital technological devices. So it make them 21st century competence. So different important tools for the ICT. One is Canva, okay, where we can create wonderful presentations and we make infographics and mind maps. With a fraction of second, you can create anything which is useful for the students. So you can organize ideas visually by using MindMister or Google and PowerPoint, Google Slides. So you can also use the multimedia presentation for the same. Okay, so these are the ICT tools which is essential: Canva, MindMister, Google, and PowerPoint, Google Slides, etc. for the presentation purpose. So it comes to the like for the virtual field visits and experiential learning. So we can visit any part of the world virtually by using the Google Earth explorations. Okay, so where geographical locations is very near, you can see and you can study about the cultural landmarks and which can be accessible for all the learners. Okay, or simply by watching YouTube channel and documentaries and virtual museums. Okay, tools through bring real world experience to the classroom. So and 360-degree virtual reality, we can say this 360 degrees VR. So it is a great experience of places and events, particularly those who are unable to move due to some their handicapness, so that people can benefit it simply sitting at their own convenient place. So virtual field visits and experiential learning is very easy. So it address all the diverse learning needs. Okay, it address the special education pedagogy. That means those who are unable to move, those who have some physical impairment, by using these virtual field visits, they can experience same. Okay, then uh, through this digital era, so you can write blogs, online reflections. So student can share their learning reflections. Okay, they can build their writing skills and they can have the responsible digital citizenship. Then they can also write digital journals. So personal learning logs help track progress and develop metacognitive skills. So then one more thing, Edmodo and Blogger. So these are the safe platforms where students can express their thoughts and they can get the feedback from their peer group, and this also helps to collaborative writing. Okay, so information communication tools for the special education. Okay, so those who are unable to view properly, they can use the text to speech. Okay, tools like natural readers, then Google Write, Read. So it supports students with a visual impairment and reading difficulties. So they can use the softwares like text to speech. Then interactive apps like Kahoot, Quizlet, and various educational games make learners accessible and engaging for diverse abilities. Then AT, that is assistive technology. So for them, the screen readers, speech recognition, adaptive keyboards enable the independent learning for the students with the disabilities. So those who have hearing uh, impairment, those who are having the visual impairment and different disabilities, those who are facing, so they can use text to speech, then interactive apps, then assistive technology. So these are the tools for the special education which ICT is helpful for the specially able children. Then classroom strategies and activities examples. So there is a think, pair, share with Padlet. So through Padlet, student can think individually, discuss in pairs, then share ideas on a digital board. So this is the think, pair, share. Okay, TPS you should remember. Then collaborative research projects. So groups research topics using Google. They can have huge amount of information. Okay, through this they can create presentation, beautiful presentation with the Canva, and it is something useful through collaborative research projects. Then virtual field reflections. So after exploring the Google Earth, so after seeing the Earth, the different parts of the Earth by virtually, students can write a blog post and sharing their learning experiences through virtual field reflections. So peer teaching videos. So students can create different videos or short videos and they can explain the concept. So which leads to deeper understanding of the subject. So the key pedagogical concept is here. These strategies promote active learning. Okay, so it accommodates various needs of the students, and integrate technology is going to be a meaningful. Okay, if you are a new viewer, please do subscribe, and if you download my app Mohan's Teaching Corner, you will find this PPT, and as well as you're going to have test series, and it is there as per the syllabus mentioned in your APTET. So you can watch a number of times without having any like ads and all the stuff. And I will be sharing my thoughts individually. I'll guide you to succeed in your TET examination and also for the DSC related to pedagogical concepts and IT related one. Okay, so you can view my channel for the perspectives in education. Okay, so do like and share and subscribe. So let us have some APTET practice questions. Okay, so the first question, which ICT tool is most suitable for creating interactive digital boards for group discussions? Okay, the digital board along with students, the tool is Padlet. Okay, second one, virtual field trips primarily support which type of learning? So it is the experiential learning. Text to speech, that is TTS technology is example for it is example for the assistive technology. Assistive technology. Then fourth one, collaborative learning in inclusive classroom helps develop. So what happened through this collaborative learning in inclusive classroom? So they build their social skills and they learn along with their peer. Okay, so fifth one, which platform is safest for students blogging and reflection? Okay, so students can write blogs, the platform name called as Edmodo. Okay, the spelling is EDMODO. So here, enrich learning experience through ICT integration, which creates inclusive, then engaging classrooms where every learner can thrive. So this is the thing related to the collaborative learning by ICT. Okay, it is very uh, easy. Don't fear. So you can download my app. Okay, that's Mohan's Teaching Corner. I'll help you personally. All the best for your coming examination. Thank you.